Have you ever wondered how some sellers online makes hundreds of thousands of dollars selling their art? Now what if I told you that even you too could possibly be making a fortune doing this, taking your AI generated art and turning it into print-on-demand products by using our sponsor for this video, Printify. But more on that later on. Because today I'm attempting to unlock the secret to making money by selling AI generated masterpieces. Yeah, this is probably going to make a lot of money. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next Picasso of the AI art world. The fact is that AI-generated art has been taking the internet by storm. Huh? No, don't come in, I'm just doing some work here.
It was close.
Here's the best part. You know Etsy, the beloved online marketplace for all things handmade and unique? Well, it just so happens to be the perfect platform to showcase and sell your AI art, and then hopefully go on to make money like this guy. So if you're ready to ride this AI wave, just go right here and click this button. Then the AI will start making you money, just like that. First things first, you'll need an AI art generating tool to help you create your masterpieces. This first one, DALL-E 2, is the brainchild of OpenAI. Midjourney, on the other hand, focuses on creating unique AI-generated visuals. But you know what? We're going to take a slightly different route and choose Canva's text-to-image AI. Wait, what? Why Canva, you ask? Well, not only is it easy to navigate, but it also offers a lot of customization options. And most importantly, it is perfect for beginners. Now that you've chosen your AI sidekick, it's time to figure out what you're going to make AI art about. And remember, while this is going to be fun, you're not doing this just for fun. It's to make money, right? So on that note, let's quickly head over to this site here and find out what products are selling right now. What better place to check than the site that we're going to sell on that already makes tons of sales? Etsy. Over on Etsy, if you can go down to the clothing category, let's look at the top sellers over here and then have a look at the designs. Actually, I just really need to look at this first one. And the second one. Check this out. This seller has almost 3,000 reviews. Right now there's a discount, but this was previously selling for almost $26. So if you just do that simple math of multiplying 3,000 reviews by $25 for each sweatshirt, that's already a whopping $75,000. And all we're looking at is a cat with some shades on, having some popcorn. And this one is just a skeleton holding a soda. And while I can take the time and look through the rest of this list, I think I kind of found what I was looking for in just these two, which probably was created with AI in the first place. What's more important here is the actual physical product that people are actually buying. And these are in fact sweatshirts. And in case you're not convinced yet on the product and design, here's the next bestseller sweatshirt, with just two frogs riding a bike, with almost 3,500 5-star reviews. Now what I like to do in order to validate those products is to head over to our video sponsor today, Printify, to get ideas from the products that are actually trending. Over on Printify.com, head over to Catalog, and you can already see under Exploring Printify's Best that sweatshirts is one of the most popular products here. And in this case, popular products really means highest earnings. To be clear, sweatshirt. Now, while there are other products, sweatshirts actually is in line with what we just researched over on Etsy. So if you haven't decided yet on which print-on-demand product you want to use, just pick a product and decide on the art for it. Now, this is where you can truly unleash your inner artist without really knowing much or doing anything actually. Once you get into Canva's AI text-to-image tool, be sure to do some experimenting with the different prompts. And well, if you need some help doing that, just look for AI art prompts. Or you can learn more about this in some of the other videos on my channel. It's really not that hard. Over in this text box here is where the magic happens. Not to steal this one or anything, but how about we use this for inspiration? Two pandas riding a motorcycle. And let's see what we get. These are awesome. And it gave us 4 options to choose from as well. I think these will be ideal for the sweatshirts. So I can grab this by simply hitting download. So by now you'd have gotten the AI art you needed for making your product, right? Now just before we use that image on the actual design and then upload it over on Printify, there's a step that's missed by a lot of similar tutorials. You see, you want to make sure AI-generated art looks as sharp as possible so that the image looks well defined on any print-on-demand product that we choose. That's where upscale.media comes in. I stumbled upon this web-based tool that can upscale the quality of your generated AI images, ensuring that your artwork looks top-notch and sharp. Of course, that is if your AI art was good in the first place. I'm sure it was. Now that you've created your AI art masterpieces, it's time to build your very own Etsy shop. Just follow the step-by-step guide on Etsy's website. It's just a few steps. When you're creating product descriptions for the stuff you're selling, which is really important, you may or may not be a good writer like I'm also not. See? Just use AI to make your descriptions engaging and informative. I like to use ChatGPT for that, but you could use pretty much any AI copywriting tool. The most important part of setting up your products to sell is the image of the product that people always see first. I know, I don't mean just your AI art. You'll need high-quality product images of your edited AI art on these sweatshirts. Well, that is if you decided to sell sweatshirts. You can go ahead and sell anything that you want. Once you upload your AI art on Printify, it allows you to quickly and easily get that product shot that people will need to see to make a buying decision. Come on, you know you're more likely to click buy when you can see all of those photos of the products when browsing. And then when somebody buys, the product is then conveniently shipped and delivered without the seller having to store anything or spend much money, but make money instead. On that note, let's get into the secret weapon that makes all of this possible: Printify. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about Printify? Well, it is a game changer when it comes to handling all print-on-demand tasks. It makes it a breeze to sync your Etsy shop and manage your orders with ease. Printify offers a huge selection of products to choose from. You can trust that your AI art will be printed in the highest quality possible. So go ahead and give Printify a try with a link in the description below. And as I said, this is going to be as simple as signing up, integrating with your Etsy shop by just clicking this, picking a product, uploading your AI art, preview it, saving some of those generated images to upload over on Etsy, which is going to really help somebody make up their mind in buying your product. Of course, don't forget, it helps to actually have a good product.
Wow, it's good.
And with Printify taking care of the hard work, you could focus on driving easy, free traffic to your Etsy shop. And on that note, it's time to unleash the power of this secret platform that I never spoke about yet. Well, except for this video and this video. And this one too. Look, the point is that you're going to use YouTube Shorts to drive traffic to your AI art Etsy shop. And the best part, you can do it all without even showing your face. Yeah, that's right. We're talking faceless YouTube Shorts. Now you might be thinking, but I don't know the first thing about making YouTube Shorts that drives traffic to an online store. And you don't need to, because there are plenty of tools out there to help you create shorts almost automatically. And I walk you through that secret tool and simple process in this video right here.